Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can add dates or how you can add due date to your cards in Trello. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just have the board, then just click on it on your card, and now you will have here due date. Okay, click on it, and now you have options. Okay, due date will be tomorrow. Oh no, let's go with 17. Okay, and you can see it here, and you can just mark it complete or whatever. When I have it, you can see it right here that this card is due later, that you have actually time to accomplish what you desire and what you want in life. So this is how we can actually make it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. You know how it goes. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.